Welcome. This is going to be a little bit of a different video. It's not really about 3D printing. It's more about just that kind of a technology, specifically laser marking or laser etching. And I had an interesting opportunity during my day job and thought I would share it with you. I'm Ron, and this is my place. Thanks for sticking around. One of the benefits of my day job is that we get quite a few vendors that come in and try and sell us things, obviously, because I work for a company that buys some technology and works on equipment. And yes, I'm not mentioning names. Uh, Specifically, I had a company that came in, which I will say who it was, Keyance. We have a local rep here, and they came in to try and basically they're trying to sell us a um, laser marker, laser engraver, laser scriber. They're sold and they're called many different things, but I just find it to be an extremely interesting topic or technology. It's similar to 3D printing, meaning that you're doing something in an XYZ. I know a number of printers out there have actually even used removable print heads where they have one for does 3D printing with plastic, and then there's etching, even I think gone into a CNC, like milling. So, anyways, the technology's out there, and I know a number of people are interested in it, and I just thought it was really cool. So, this one was really neat, and the concept behind it is it's a stationary laser. They call it a hybrid laser that utilizes a technology to think of it almost as mirrors to steer the laser around to actually draw it, and it's actually got a 25 watt output, which is it's a class 4 laser, and it etches really fast. And I just was amazed at how fast and accurate. And then they've taken it one step further and actually gone where you can use on curved objects. I don't have one printed, but or etched, if you will. But they'll take a curved object, and one of the downsides of the laser etching typically is as it gets further away from the center or on a curved object, you get defocusing in different spots. So you get, you don't have as well defined lines and lettering, etc. Well, they actually changed the focus, which is like changing the Z offset, if you will, as it's doing its etching. So you can print it around curves, and there's like a 130-degree arc that you can do. It was really cool. But anyways, I'm going to show you what I ended up getting. It's nothing crazy fancy, but it's neat. We were in the middle of the demo, if you will, and one of the things he ended up asking was if anybody had anything that they wanted to do, and we'll just say that I had the opportunity to say yes because he wanted me to write the check. And yeah, so they made a Ron's Place. This is ABS plastic. I could have got it on metal, but I just thought plastic fit the channel. And it's just really neat. It was crazy fast. In fact, I ended up getting him to do it again on the other side. And I even took a little video. It's not the best video in the world. Because it's a little shaky. I was hand holding it, but you'll get the idea. I'm going to show it in real time as well. It was just really fast. There's one flaw with this printer, or with this laser, what do they call it? A laser marker. They actually call it a laser marker. It costs $35,000. So I wouldn't necessarily call it a home use model. Unless you have a different kind of home than I have. But I thought it was neat. I thought it would be interesting to share. This is not a sales pitch for them whatsoever, but it was just an extremely cool device, and who knows? I might even be getting one at work. We'll see. I would never dream of making these at work, though. That would just be bad. So anyways, bad lighting. There's Ron's plate sign. Yet another one to add to my collection. Very cool. I'm actually now wanting to see if maybe I can find something for laser etching in a little bit more cost-friendly method than $35,000 to $40,000. Anywho, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to show it up here next. Well, I hope you liked it. I just really thought it was cool, and I know it's not exactly fitting to the channel, but I thought you'd enjoy it. The other piece I'd like to ask is that I am working with the audio a little bit. I always thought my audio was a little bit too loud, and I'm finding out now that it was actually kind of quiet. And I'm also going to be matching the in-between video as well, that I'm hoping to match that a little bit better to be less jarring. I do truly appreciate the handful of people that have made some comments on that. I truly didn't know. And I'm definitely not making these to be annoying, so hopefully you're not annoyed. Let me know how it turns out, if the audio is too high, too low. Hopefully I'm not clipping it all. So just kind of let me know what's going on, what your feedback is. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe. Hit the like button if you like this one. If you dislike it, go ahead and hit that as well. If you do hit that, make sure you let me know what you don't like so I can make changes, like with the audio and whatnot. Hit the subscribe. Ring the bell if you want to see when they pop up. And I truly, truly, truly appreciate the little bit of time that you give me. Have fun, enjoy, and print everything you can.